People queue in Paris for hot chocolate for a reason. What makes a Paris hot chocolate so good is actually very simple. It's made with real chocolate, not cocoa powder, and it's much less sweet. So instead of tasting the sugar, you actually taste the chocolate. It's a real cultural pleasure in France. Whether it's in winter or summer, it's always the season for a hot chocolate in a Parisian cafe. It's about taking the time for a pick-me-up and watching the world go by. Until the bill comes. I'll show you how to make a proper French hot chocolate called chocolat chaud in just a few minutes. And stick around to the end and I'll show you how to make a French breakfast version that we serve in bowls, more suitable for kids and it's slightly lighter. For one generous serving, you're going to need 150 ml of whole milk, that's just over half a cup, 50 grams of organic dark chocolate, about 1/4 of a cup, ideally around 65 to 70% cacao, a little vanilla powder. Now, vanilla powder or extract, steer away from synthetic aromas, the flavour is just not at all the same. This is what is going to bring out the flavour of your chocolate and you don't even need the sugar. And a pinch of sea salt, some fleur de sel, actually brings out the flavour even more. It really works. And optionally, a dash of ground nutmeg. As you can see, there's no added sugar here because there is already a little bit of sugar in the chocolate. Start by gently heating the milk in a saucepan. Don't let it boil, that's really important. This is where you can add your flavour, a little bit of vanilla. Just adding that little bit of vanilla powder, I can actually smell the vanilla in the kitchen already. It's beautiful. You can use vanilla paste, a little bit of extract, and a dash of a little bit of nutmeg at the beginning. If you want to add other spices, this is where you could add a little bit of cinnamon. You could add some ginger. Wow, I'm actually tempted to use a little bit of this. Now add the chopped chocolate and we're going to whisk it in slowly as it melts. Keep the heat low and simmer very gently, whisking just for a few minutes. Don't forget to add a little bit of the sea salt. This is what thickens it naturally. In fact, there's no cornstarch, it's just pure chocolate and gentle cooking. A proper French hot chocolate is all about the texture. You're looking for something smooth and it's something that lightly covers a spoon. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. If it gets too thick, add a little splash of milk, and if it's too thin, just let it simmer just for a little longer. Let's just see, test it on the spoon. Oh yeah, look at that. Does that look right to you? It certainly looks right to me. This is also what makes it different from Italian hot chocolate. In Italy, they often add corn flour, which makes it much thicker, almost like a dessert. And in France, we don't use any cornstarch. In Paris, this is usually served in small jugs and meant to be sipped slowly. And if you want to go for extra decadence, add a little pot of freshly whipped cream. Now this is the rich cafe version, but in France, breakfast hot chocolate is completely different. It's much lighter, more suitable for the kids, and usually made with cocoa powder and semi-skimmed milk. First heat a little semi-skimmed or whole milk and whisk in a heaped tablespoon of the powder with a little salt. Whisk to form a paste. If you're using unsweetened, you could add a little bit of nutmeg or cinnamon. Then whisk in the rest of the milk. You might just want to add just a little bit of vanilla extract or a little bit of powder. And for that extra little bit of luxury at the weekend, add in a little bit of dark chocolate, 70% here. Just melt it in and you're done. And the bigger the bowl, the more you can dunk in it. There you have it, 2 versions of French hot chocolate. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments below. And if you love dark chocolate, you must try this French chocolate mousse. Recipe's up here for you. It's so light and fluffy and it's not got any cream in it.